Jefferson Middle School has the same number of boys and girls. 3/4 of the girls and 2/3 of the boys went on a field trip. What fraction of the students on the field trip were girls? The choices are 1/2, 9/17, 7/13, 2/3, and 14/15. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Since the school has the same number of boys and girls, let's give that count a name. We'll call it n, the number of girls, which is also the number of boys. To make the fractions come out to whole numbers, let's choose n equal to 12, because 12 is divisible by both 4 and 3. Now count who actually went. 3/4 of the 12 girls is 9 girls. 2/3 of the 12 boys is 8 boys. So the total number of students on the field trip is 9 plus 8, which is 17. Finally, the fraction of the field trip students who were girls is the 9 girls out of the 17 total students. That gives us 9/17, which is answer choice B.